Learn Hindi through daily routines. I get up at 7 o'clock and more in
Hindi.
Welcome to your chaotic Hindi morning. Hey, you are about to learn Hindi with a slightly dramatic day in the life story. Relax, listen, repeat, and enjoy the mess. Our hero is you. You are brave, curious, and unfortunately owned by an alarm clock with the personality of a theater actor. At exactly 7, it screams, sings, and probably deserves its own agent. You take a deep breath and say,
मैं 7 बजे उठता हूँ.
That means, I get up at 7 o'clock. Very disciplined, very impressive, very suspicious, honestly. Then you look around your room. One sock is on the lamp. A book is on the pillow. A chair is somehow wearing your shirt. So you heroically announce,
मैं कमरे को साफ करता हूँ.
I tidy up the room. Congratulations, you are now the main character in a cleaning montage. The surprise arrival. Now the plot thickens because language learning is always better when someone suddenly appears. Let's make it memorable. You are still cleaning when your phone buzzes with mysterious energy. A message arrives. Someone is coming today. In Hindi, you hear,
तुम आज आते हो.
That means, you arrive today. Say it again slowly.
तुम आज आते हो.
Imagine saying, I cleaned the room because.
तुम आज आते हो.
Suddenly the sentence becomes useful and slightly stressful. Funny memory tip. Point at the person for.
तुम.
Point at today on an imaginary calendar for.
आज.
And make a dramatic entrance for.
आते हो.
Phone drama, naturally. No modern story is complete without a phone call that does not happen right away. This one is polite, useful, and a little too realistic. You are busy cleaning, fixing pillows, and pretending you are not panicking. Someone asks if you can talk now. You answer,
हम तुम्हें बाद में फोन करेंगे.
We'll call you later. Repeat it once more.
हम तुम्हें बाद में फोन करेंगे.
The key part is
बाद में.
later, a magical word when your room looks like a small explosion happened. Mini dialogue. A. Can you talk now? B.
हम तुम्हें बाद में फोन करेंगे.
This is also a wonderful phrase for sounding organized, even when you are absolutely not organized. Lights, room, action. You have reached the point in the story where the room is cleaner, your dignity is returning, and evening is near. Time for one more strong phrase. At the end of the day, someone leaves the room and does the responsible thing. In Hindi,
वो बत्ती बंद करता है.
he turns off the light. Useful, practical, and excellent for saving electricity and sounding wise. You can almost hear the switch click.
वो बत्ती बंद करता है.
A good memory trick is this.
बत्ती.
Means light and
बंद.
means off or closed. So if the bulb had feelings, this sentence would be its bedtime story. Quick review challenge. You have heard all the key phrases. Now let's do a fast, fun review together. No pressure, just you and your glorious brain. How do you say, I get up at 7 o'clock?
मैं 7 बजे उठता हूँ.
How do you say, you arrive today?
तुम आज आते हो.
How do you say, we'll call you later?
हम तुम्हें बाद में फोन करेंगे.
How do you say, he turns off the light?
वो बत्ती बंद करता है.
How do you say, I tidy up the room?
मैं कमरे को साफ करता हूँ.
Bonus silly recap. First.
मैं 7 बजे उठता हूँ.
Then.
मैं कमरे को साफ करता हूँ.
Because.
तुम आज आते हो.
If I am too busy.
हम तुम्हें बाद में फोन करेंगे.
And at night, the responsible legend appears.
वो बत्ती बंद करता है.
Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work today. You learned useful Hindi phrases, survived a dramatic imaginary day, and your room is at least cleaner in theory. Thank you for listening and practicing with me. Keep repeating these Hindi phrases aloud.
मैं 7 बजे उठता हूँ। तुम आज आते हो। हम तुम्हें बाद में फ़ोन करेंगे। वो बत्ती बंद करता है।
And.
मैं कमरे को साफ करता हूँ।
The more you repeat, the more natural they will feel. Thanks again, and keep practicing. Your Hindi is growing, one funny sentence at a time.